Hi folks, we're about to jump on this ride called the Flying School Coaster. It was one of the last rides that was left over from the Cypress Gardens days before it became Legoland. We rode this ride on the 29th of July, but the ride closed permanently on August the 16th, 2023. Also at the end of this video, be sure to check out our 5 favorite rides while at Legoland Florida. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you get notified of our upcoming videos. Now let's go jump on this coaster. That was cool.
That was fun.
That hurt my ears. Yeah, that was fun. Yay, we made it back. We made it back in one piece. I think I still got my ears intact, but I don't know. And that was that ride. Here we go. Okay. Thank you. Alrighty. So that was a little bumpy, but it was fun.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, so that was fun. That is going to be one of our top 5s, I think. We'll see. Is it going to be a top 5 or an honorable mention? Flying School.